Yo, on the job. I'm in the cafeteria right now. Good job, yo. Good job. I'm proud of myself. I got a job. I'm on the ramp. I'm seeing planes every day. I'm feeling good, yo. I'm not even trying to smoke that weed shit no more, man. So God is good, you feel me? I'm a truck driver. I am literally defecating on these haters. I said I'm defecating on these haters. Y'all can't stop me, yo. I just keep getting richer and richer and better, bruh. More knowledge. More college. I'm doing great, bruh. Just shows good things come to those who wait. You feel me? Cool.